Welcome, children. You must have heard about William Shakespeare, world's greatest dramatist of all time. Today, let's learn about an unconditional bond between a father and his daughter from an extract of King Lear by William Shakespeare. To begin with, let's see the qualities of King Lear as he was old, wise, and generous. Children, wise means intelligent and generous means noble in behavior and always ready to give. These are adjectives or describing words as they describe the king, which is a noun. Now, children, here person is a phrasal verb which means to forward or transfer or to convey one's responsibility. Many years ago in England there was a king whose name was Lear. As he was getting old, he decided to divide his kingdom among his three daughters. For that, he called up Goneril, Regan, and Cordelia in the court and asked how much they loved him. Here, Goneril and Regan were so greedy for the kingdom as they lied to their father. When the king asked from Goneril as how much she loved her father, she replied cunningly that her father was more dearer for her than her eyesight. Children, do you know how important our eyes are? Without eyesight, we cannot see the world. We will be blind. The king felt happy for her reply. Then the king asked the same question to Regan. She also pleased her father by saying that it will be a great opportunity to serve him and she will be the happiest one by doing so. The king became very happy and satisfied. At last, it was Cordelia's turn to express her love towards her father and to have her share of the kingdom. Cordelia, being an honest and loving daughter, said that she loved him as she should. That means her love and respect for her father would not increase or decrease for the sake of the kingdom. King Lear did not expect this answer from Cordelia, and he warned her that she may not get her share for speaking so. But Cordelia was very much clear about her stand. The king got annoyed as he thought that his daughter never loved him. She only fulfilled her duties towards him. He disowned Cordelia. That means he broke all the relationships with her as his daughter and asked her to leave. Cordelia felt really sad as she was worried for her old father. She wished as after her departure her sisters should take good care of him. The King of France, who was present in the court at the time, appreciated Cordelia's honesty and simplicity. He wished to marry her. Cordelia agreed and left for France. Her selfish and greedy sisters were very happy and satisfied and delighted as now they could have Cordelia's share of the kingdom too. As the time passed by, Goneril and Regan started disrespecting their father. They stopped taking care of him. King Lear, being so old and lonely, realized his mistake for disowning Cordelia as she was the only who truly loved her father and not the kingdom. But it was too late. England and France were at war. Cordelia was really worried about her father, but being the French queen, she could not enter England anymore, so she decided to attack England. But unfortunately, her army was defeated and she was imprisoned. Surprisingly, she found her father there in the prison. She was shocked to see her father there. King Lear, who had become quite weak by the time, tried to recognize the young lady. He thought perhaps she was his daughter Cordelia. As he was not able to see clearly, he called her near him. Cordelia felt delighted to meet her father. She told him that she tried hard to find him and now she would not let him go anywhere. She would take care of him always. King Lear was ashamed of his behavior towards his lovely daughter Cordelia, he asked for her forgiveness. So, children, this is the story which shows the great relationship between parents and children. So, we should always give love and respect to our parents. Thank you.